You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from the Bible. If you want to learn more confusing names from the Hebrew Bible, Hebrew names, biblical names, stay tuned. We got tons more confusing ones at the end. English pronunciation, similarly to Hebrew. Shaphan, stress on the first syllable here. Shaphan. Some may say it a bit more as Shaphan, which is fine too. Shaphan or Shaphan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.